Hi, welcome to this walkthrough of Hava's embed functionality. So, if you're not aware, Hava connects to your cloud accounts, AWS, Azure, GCP, and Kubernetes, and automatically generates network infrastructure diagrams for you. So, if we take a look at this AWS diagram, for instance, so we can see here we've got a VPC, the whole stack of resources, compute, EC2 instances, and so forth. And by interactive, we mean is you select a resource on the diagram, and then you can look at all of the information and metadata related to that. So it's good if you've got a Hava logon. If you haven't, then it's a bit tricky to view these. So what we've done is allowed these diagrams to be shared externally using the share button here, and there are three options available. So embed, so that's the full interactive diagram with the attribute pane, all of the metadata to the side, so you can see what's going on with these, with the selected resources and so forth. So the second option is Embed Light. So what that does is removes all of the attributes and sensitive information. So if you want to place this on somewhere like very public and you don't want that information displayed, then the Embed Light is the option to use. And thirdly, we've got the PNG embed. So what that does is just takes a PNG snapshot of the diagram here, and then that's pretty much it. So what does that look like? If we hop across to a HubSpot page here, we've got a run through of how everything works. So then we've got our embedded interactive diagram here. So within HubSpot, we've now got a fully functioning interactive network diagram. So here's another example. This is a security view. Again, all fully functioning and interactive. So the light option looks like this. So we've still got the ability to click around, switch on and off the names and connections, look at connections individually, but none of the potentially sensitive information is showing here. And we have the PNG share. So here it's just the PNG, nothing happens when you click around. But the interesting thing is all of these diagrams, when Hava updates, so what Hava does is when a new or change in the environment is detected, and we're polling the settings all the time, a new version of the diagram is created, and then you can go back into older versions and view those. So the end point of the embeds, so here we've got the PNG hosted here in one of our subdomains. They also update, which means when you place the PNG into your wiki or service desk or wherever, it stays up to date. So as new resources are rolled on and off, the Hava diagram updates automatically, and so does your PNG. So it means place it once and then it stays up to date forever. So what else can you do with your diagrams? Say you're using project management software like Notion, for instance. You could place a diagram using the embed function there. So if we look at embed, go back to Hava, grab the full embed code, back to Notion, paste that in. So you can see now within our Notion page here we've got a fully interactive Hava diagram. So there you go, that's a quick rundown of the 3 embed options found within Hava. If you aren't using Hava yet, there's a free 14-day trial. If you are using Hava, please have a play with the embeds. Thanks for watching.